So you've built a spreadsheet and you want to see how changing some inputs impact your results? Introducing Scenario Manager for Google Sheets. Scenario Manager lets you define multiple sets of data, called scenarios, and then switch between them with a click. By doing so, you can examine their effect on the final result. Let's see how to get started. This example shows a revenue projection model for an online store. There are a few input cells we use as assumptions such as growth rate, conversion rate, and product price. Changing those will impact the end result, which is the projected annual revenue of our store. Let's consider this our baseline scenario and now create two additional scenarios. One for the worst case and another for the best case. To start off, we open the Scenario Manager and create a group for our scenarios. A scenario group contains several scenarios with the same purpose. In our case, we're talking about revenue scenarios. We then select the changing cells. These are the values input cells of our model with the values we want to change. Click Next and you're all set. As you can see, we now have two scenarios. Currently, they are identical. Let's make this scenario the best case scenario, simply by changing the input values. No need to save. The values are saved automatically when we switch to a different scenario. We'll name the scenarios properly and we can now click on each scenario to load its values and switch between them. Let's now create our worst case scenario. Clicking on Add Scenario will duplicate the selected scenario, so all we need to do is to give it a nice descriptive name and enter a different set of values. That's it. We now have three scenarios, three different sets of data that we can quickly and easily switch between, using the same spreadsheet, same model and formulas.